Hello class, this is your moral science class, and in moral science on previous turn we had completed chapter 3rd. Today we are going to study chapter 4th, and the name of the chapter is Help the Needy. So students, all of you take out your moral science books and open chapter 4th, Help the Needy. So what is the meaning of needy? The person who needs something is called needy. Okay, so we should help the person who needs something. Okay, needy means ज़रूरत. So that person who needs something, वो person जिसे किसी की ज़रूरत है, किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, हमें उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. We should help them. Okay. So long ago there were no buses, trains or cars to travel from one place to another. Students, long time ago in this world there were no buses, trains or cars were not there. Okay, to travel from one place to another, to go from one place to another, buses, cars and trains were not available at that time. Okay, people had to walk on foot from one place to another. If we want to go from one place to another place, then we had to walk. Okay, people had walk to go from one place to another, because buses, bikes, cars, these were not available at that time. Okay, they had to even pass through thick jungles, and when people want to go from one place to another place, they have to walk on foot. Okay, by walking they can go. So in that way the thick forests were also there. Okay, so the people had to cross the thick forest, and then they will reach at other place. Okay, so one day an old man was going to a nearby village through the jungle. Okay, one day an old man was there and he was going to a nearby village through the jungle. Means he was going to a nearby village by walking, by foot. Okay, and in that way the thick forest was also there. So the old man was crossing that thick jungle. He was walking. It was getting dark. He was walking fast in order to reach his destination before night. And रात हो चुकी थी. It was getting dark, means अंधेरा हो गया था, and the person was walking fast. The old man was walking very fast so that he can reach his village before night. Okay. Just then some dacoits caught him and took away all his wealth. At that time, when the old man was crossing the thick forest, he was going to the nearby village, and in that way there was a thick forest, and the old man was crossing the thick forest, and the climate was dark, means it was getting dark, means the evening time was there. Okay, evening time was there, and he want to reach the village before night. At that time, when he was crossing thick forest, then some dacoits means daku. Okay, so some dacoits caught the old man, and they took away all his wealth, and they took his all money, all wealth, whatever the old man had, the money and all were taken by the dacoits. Okay, they beat him mercilessly and went away, and those dacoits beat also to that old person. They beat an old person. Okay, mercilessly means without mercy. Mercy means दया. Okay, उन्हें कोई दया नहीं आई और उन्होंने उसे बहुत पीटा. Beat him, they beaten him. Okay. After some time, a rich man passed through the same way, and after some time, one rich man passed through the same way. The rich man did not take any notice of the poor man, as he was in a hurry. But that rich man was in very hurry, and he didn't notice that old man is present there, and he had the injuries and all. Okay, so the rich man didn't notice that old man, and because he was in a hurry, and he left the village. He has gone. Then came a holy man. He too did not take any notice of the man because he was getting late for his prayers. Holy man means the person who do more worship and all. Okay, so after that, when the rich man has gone, after some time, one holy man also came through this jungle. He was also passing through this jungle, and he also didn't notice that any old man was there. Okay, because he was getting late for his prayers. The man was holy man. Okay, and he was getting late for his prayers. He was going for the prayers, so he was also in a hurry, and he didn't notice that old man. Later, a poor villager saw the man lying on the ground. After some time, again a poor villager means a person who live in a village, and poor means that person do not have more money. Okay, that person has not so many money, he was poor. So the poor villager saw the man lying on the ground. He saw that the man is lying on the ground and he has injury also. So he felt very sad. The villager felt very sad at the condition of the old man, and he cleaned his wound and put a bandage with a piece of cloth he had. Okay, so the poor villager was very sad by looking at the old man. So he cleaned his wounds. Wounds means चोट, जहाँ पे चोट आई होगी वहाँ पे the at that place the villager cleaned his wound. उसकी चोट को clean किया villager ने, and put a bandage with a piece of cloth he had, and by the help of a piece of cloth, he put a bandage on the wound. उस चोट पे उसने वो पीस, कपड़े का पीस बांध दिया, टाई कर दिया, so that the blood do not leak. Okay, do not come outside. Now after doing all this, he took the wounded man to the village Vaidya and requested him to take good care of him. After putting the bandage and cleaning the wounds, the poor villager took the wounded man to his village, and he consulted the village Vaidya. Okay, Vaidya means doctor. Okay, so that poor man consulted the village Vaidya and requested him to take good care of him. The poor villager said that Doctor Vaidya, please take care of this old man, wounded man, and make it again normal and healthy and fine. The Vaidya tried his best to cure the man, because of which the man recovered very soon. And the Vaidya, in a very better way, Vaidya cured the man. Okay, Vaidya took lots of care of the man, and because of his care and hard work, the man recovered very soon. The old man again become fit and fine. Recovered very soon. Okay, recovered means फिर से वो पहले जैसा हो गया, recover कर लिया उसने. When the old man came to know about the man who had helped him, he thanked and blessed him. And after that, when the old man knew that a poor villager helped him, so the old man said thank you to that poor villager, and he also blessed him. Blessed means दुआएं देना. So the old man also blessed the poor villager. So now there is a moral for you students. Let's study. Dear children, a person can never become rich with a large quantity of money, but with the beautiful quality of great work done for the benefit of others. Means a person can never be rich person with a large quantity of money. Means the person who has lots of money is not called rich. That person is not called rich. Despite that, the person who has the beautiful quality of great work done for benefit of others, that man is called rich. Means the person who has lots of money is not known as rich person. Despite that, the person who has beautiful heart, who serve their life to others, for others, that person are called rich. A person can never be holy even if to go him the morning of prayer. Meaning of prayer is to perform rituals. Okay, a person can never be holy even if to him the meaning of prayer is to perform rituals. and that person is not called holy, who knows that the holy means only prayer. Okay, if the person thinks that being holy means only doing the prayer and all, then that person also not rich, not holy. That person is not called holy. Holy means to serve others. Okay, the person who serve others, who serve their life for others, who helped others, that person are only called holy and rich. Okay, so the real ritual of life is to, ritual means rasm. Okay, so if the person thinks that only because of prayer I am holy, and because I am doing all these rituals, that's why I am holy, so it is not the meaning of holy. Okay, meaning holy means that to help others. The real ritual of life is to love and serve others, which is the genuine meaning of being holy. Okay, so to serve your life for others is the real meaning of being holy. So students, here is a moral for you. Prefer to store money in the stomachs of the needy rather than hide it in a purse. So students, this was all about chapter 4th, and your chapter 4th is now finished. I will send you the written work of chapter 4th also. So write it in your moral science book, the answers of chapter 4, and then the chapter will be completed. And students, from 19th of July your examination will be started, first term examination, and the portion of the moral sciences from chapter 1st to chapter 4th. So prepare for it. Thank you.